In front of me is LG K61, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first, just open the phone dialer, and here, if you click on more icon, you will be able to see call settings. So just go to the settings, and now click on call blocking and decline with message. And if you would like to block some particular number, just go to block numbers, and by tapping on plus icon, you can add either one of your contact, something from your call logs, or new phone number. So let me enter a new one manually and tap on block. As you can see, from now on, this number will not be able to reach you. If you would like to remove it from your blacklist, just tap on bin icon, tap on remove, and it is no longer here. Then obviously you can also block all private numbers. Just do it here, click on the switcher, and as only it is active, your device will reject all calls from private numbers. And also, if you click on digit filter, you will be able to add some filter to be blocked. So you have to enter the number, and every number with these numbers included will be blocked. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.